Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, not all fairies are good. Some are killer. Let's go! Okay, so we have here WizKids, DC Heroclix, Killer Moth. And this contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure that I purchased from the WizKids store. It's an exclusive figure. Okay, on the side we see the same illustration, and at the back the same illustration. 14 years old or up, ideally. And this was released 2024. Okay, so I just realized it now that we have here, oops, if it can focus, let me position it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, so I just realized it that DC, beside it, is a logo of Warner Brothers. Okay, so maybe, I don't know, maybe DC is under Warner Brothers. Okay, so that's why we have other Warner Brothers characters coming to Heroclix, like Beetlejuice, who else? Sandworm, Tom and Jerry, okay, maybe Space Ghost. Okay, I'm not so familiar. But anyway, we are looking at this particular character. I'm also not familiar with this character, but I purchased this because I wanted to reach the minimum purchase requirement of 50 USD, if I'm not mistaken, to get some freebies. And yeah, I wasn't able to, I don't know what to buy. So I just said to myself, why not this guy? Okay. So he's not a fairy, okay, although he has a wing, okay, and his color scheme is a bit, how would I say it, feminine. Sorry if I'm butchering the character. I don't know the lore of Killer Moth, but anyway, that is the figure. Okay, so he's very dynamic, flying around, spraying, I don't know what he's holding, maybe sprinkling fairy dust and closed fist. Okay, so he is Killer Moth, a Batman, I guess, gallery, rogues gallery, Batman enemy DCD 24-001A. Okay, I wonder what's the B. So Gotham City Underworld, Secret Society of Supervillains are the keywords, and trait, low rent tech. Okay, at the beginning of the game, let's look at it closely. At the beginning of the game, roll a d6 and give Killer Moth a number of Moth tech tokens equal to the result. Okay? If you are the second player, instead roll 2d6. So it's advantageous to some extent to be the second player. And free, remove a number of Moth tech tokens until your next turn. Killer Moth can use the following effects based on the number of Moth tokens removed. 1. Grants him flight and ignore character for movement. 2 or more, modify his combat values +1. 3 or more, Killer Moth has free. Turn Killer Moth to his starting click. Wow! So you get a full life reset. And that's really good because the traits here is saying 1 or more, 2 or more, 3 or more. So if you use 3, that means you're also getting the benefits of the 1 and the 2. Okay, so you're healing him back to the first click, and he has modified combat values +1 with flight and improved movement characters. So he comes back from the fire stronger. And he has a second trait, villain for hire. Fairy characters within 3 squares can use Mastermind, okay, but only to choose Killer Moth regardless of adjacency or keywords. That's really strong. And when a friendly character chooses Killer Moth with Mastermind, if they share a keyword with him, after resolutions, heal that friendly character 1 click. Okay, so this 3 will be very useful because he's absorbing damage of other characters. And this can be really sneaky because you can be behind a wall, okay? And they can still throw that damage to you, okay? So you can just put him behind a wall, beside a heart-shaped herb, perhaps. And moreover, he heals that character, okay? So you might want to keep him alive, probably give him like a destroyer equipment, okay, so that he gains invulnerability, okay, so that the damage becomes reduced a little bit more, and opposing characters would probably want to attack him first because he has that mastermind power. So giving him +2 combat defense values will make it a little bit harder for them to KO this killer Moth figure. Yeah, so I really like this. So Drury Walker, Batgirl number 37, is a significant appearance. So he is the villain of Batgirl, I guess. That's why the color scheme. 50 or 35 points. Okay, probably play him at 35 points. He doesn't really need to attack because of the enhancement. Okay, 3 range is just all right, but it's 2 target anyway, so probably more of an in-cap piece more than anything. 50 points if you want to use him as a mastermind fodder for your figures. Okay, so yeah, don't laugh at Killer Moth. He is an amazing figure. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye!